Have you ever wondered what goes into making the delicious peanut butter that graces millions of breakfast tables every day? From the sun-kissed fields where peanuts are grown to the state-of-the-art factories where they're transformed into creamy jars of peanut butter, this journey is nothing short of amazing. In today's video, we're taking you behind the scenes of the peanut production process, showing you every step of how peanuts go from being harvested in the fields to becoming one of the most beloved spreads in the world. Peanuts thrive in warm tropical climates, and the best peanuts come from regions like Georgia in the United States, known as the peanut capital. Peanuts need plenty of sunlight, consistent rainfall, and well-drained soil to grow strong and healthy. Farmers spend months tending to these plants, ensuring they have everything they need to flourish. Once the plants are ready, it's time for the harvest. And that's where the magic begins. Peanut harvesting isn't a simple task. It takes specialized equipment like digger shakers, massive machines equipped with sharp blades that dig into the ground to pull the peanut plants free. Once pulled up, the plants are gently shaken to loosen the peanuts from the soil, leaving the golden pods exposed to the sun to dry naturally. Once dried, the peanuts are ready for the next stage, transportation to processing centers. After harvesting, peanuts are carefully stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to preserve their quality. To prevent mold and spoilage, farmers use advanced sensors to monitor moisture levels, ensuring that the peanuts are properly dried and kept in ideal conditions. This critical step helps maintain the natural flavors and freshness of the peanut. Once the peanuts are safely stored, the real magic starts at the processing facility. First, they go through a high-speed vibrating screening process to remove any debris or dirt. Then, a specialized machine applies pressure to gently remove the tough outer shell, exposing the heart of the peanut, the kernel. At this stage, the peanuts are clean, shell-free, and ready for the next phase of production. This process ensures that only the finest peanuts are selected for making peanut butter. But the journey isn't over yet. Even after the peanuts are cleaned, they still need to go through a final sorting process. Using optical sorters and advanced technology, peanuts are scanned at high speed for quality. Only the best, plumpest peanuts, free of cracks and damage, make it through. At this point, expert workers also do a final check to make sure the peanuts meet the highest standards, ensuring that each peanut butter jar is filled with top-quality nut. Now comes the fun part, roasting. The peanuts are loaded into large industrial roasters, where they're cooked at temperatures between 160 to 177 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. This process isn't just about drying them out. Roasting enhances the peanut's natural flavors, giving it that rich, nutty taste we love in peanut butter. The roasted peanuts are then cooled and ready to be processed into a creamy, spreadable paste. After roasting, the peanuts undergo the final transformation. They're ground into a smooth paste in high-powered grinding machines. A pinch of salt, a touch of sugar, and a little oil are added to create that perfect, creamy texture. At this stage, the peanuts are transformed into peanut butter, thick, smooth, and ready to be enjoyed. But before the peanut butter can be packaged, it's tested for consistency, texture, and flavor to ensure every batch is perfect. Once the peanut butter is made, it's transferred to large tanks, where it's heated to eliminate any potential bacteria and ensure food safety. From there, it's poured into jars of various sizes, sealed tightly, and sent through one last round of inspection. Finally, the jars are packed into boxes and shipped out, ready to make their way into your kitchen, where they'll be spread on toast, added to smoothies, or enjoyed straight from the jar. Peanut butter isn't just a spread. It's the result of careful planning, innovative farming, and a team of dedicated workers who ensure every jar meets the highest standards. Next time you grab a spoonful of peanut butter, you'll know just how much effort goes into creating that creamy, delicious treat.